Welcome. Today I'd like to talk to you about a specific feature of NeuralSeek. NeuralSeek has a wide expanse of capabilities, one being that it supports receiving logs from virtual agents in order to monitor curated responses. This feature is called round-trip logging, but what is it exactly and how can we enable it on our virtual agent? Round-trip logging is a process that involves recording and storing all interactions between a user and a virtual agent. NeuralSeek supports receiving logs from virtual agents in order to monitor curated responses. This includes the user's question, the virtual agent's response, and any follow-up questions or clarifications. The purpose of round-trip logging is to improve the virtual agent's performance by analyzing the data and identifying areas for improvement. So let's take a look at how the round-trip logging feature works and how we can get it started. I'm going to begin by opening NeuralSeek, which is powered by IBM Watson Assistant. Navigate and click on the Integrate tab on the top of the screen. Click on Watson Logs on the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. We'll copy and paste the URL and the secret ID needed, and then navigate to Watson Assistant. Once on Watson Assistant, head to the Environments tab on the left navigation bar. Once you've entered there, click on the gear icon on the left side of the screen. Under Webhooks, select Log Webhook. Use the webhook setup information provided to you from NeuralSeek. Once completed, save and close. Now that round-trip logging is enabled, NeuralSeek will star any intent that's been touched in the virtual agent and monitor those curated responses to identify if the source documentation for those answers has been updated. If an answer is found to be out of date, NeuralSeek will notify you by adding an icon to the intent in the Curate page. We can see that an intent in NeuralSeek has been starred through the round-trip logging feature. You can click on that icon to automatically regenerate answers based on the updated information. And so now we've successfully enabled round-trip logging into our virtual agent. And this is important because by analyzing the data collected through round-trip logging, NeuralSeek can identify patterns and trends in customer inquiries, allowing businesses to optimize their knowledge base and improve accuracy and relevance of their virtual agents' responses. We're excited to teach you more about NeuralSeek. Thank you.